Hey crypto fans, thanks for joining me here on Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for Bancor's BNT token. And as always guys, hey, if you enjoy the content that I create, then as always, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, because why not, right? And also guys, feel free to follow me on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description below the video. I like to talk about altcoins and NFTs all day long, so if you're into that sort of thing, hey, go ahead, give me a follow. Alright guys, so for those of you who are new to my channel, I do these videos because I'm a long-term holder. I've been holding on to various coins for about 5 years now, and I like to figure out which coins have a good potential of, rising pretty high in the future. So that's what you're going to see me do today, except for I'm going to do it for the BNT token. Now, I don't use... first of all, when I talk about long-term holding, I'm not talking 6 to 12 months. That's one thing I like to get across right away. I'm talking, a good long-term hold, like, you're holding onto it for the long term, like a traditional investment, like, 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, maybe even 10 years down the road. So that's kind of what I'm talking about here is long-term investing here, not short-term, not swing trading, nothing like that. So I don't use technical analysis to figure out where I think the price is going to go, because with technical analysis, you can see the overall general direction long term, if it's going to go up or down, but you really can't tell, where it's going to go as far as like a number wise, like what number it can go to in the future or anything like that. So that's what I'm going to do today. So guys, we got Bancor, which is currently ranked number 109 on CoinMarketCap. It's currently trading for $4.19 right now at the time of me filming, and it's got a market cap of $991 million, and it's got, there's been $58 million running through it in the last 24 hours, which is quite a bit. It's a very popular coin. It's a very, very old project. It's a very matured project. It's been around since the early days. It's got a circulating supply of 236.6 million as well. As we can see here, you guys, it's been around for quite some time. I mean, about 2017 is what CoinMarketCap has price data on. So, and as you guys can see, you guys, back then when the coin very first came out, I mean, it started at like 20 bucks, but which is going to be its all-time high. But that's not going to be, that's not realistic. It's not going to get that high anytime soon. So don't even look at that number as being like, oh my gosh, it can probably go there again sometime, because we're not going to be looking at those figures, okay? As we can see here, you guys, in the past, in the 2017, 2018 bull run of Bitcoin, it went up to, about 10 bucks. And, just recently, back in March or so, when this bull run started to happen, it went up to about $7.30 again. So, if it can go up that high, you guys, it can definitely go up there again. Not $20 range, maybe in the long term, but not anytime soon. But we're going to see where it could potentially go within, at least 5 years from now. So for me personally, you guys, I personally believe that Bancor has the potential of reaching at least a minimum market cap of $5 billion. And that's talking long term here, you guys. Now, as these crypto projects mature more and more as time goes on, more and more money is going to be brought into these projects, okay? I mean, we got Bitcoin at over $1 trillion right now. We got Ethereum at 510 billion. So as time goes on, guys, more and more money is going to flow into these projects. So just keep that in mind, okay, when I'm talking about this stuff. So in 5 years from now, all of these coins are going to be much higher than where they are right now. So a coin like Bancor, I feel, has the potential of easily being up to at least a $5 billion market cap when that time comes. So that's going to be the pinpoint of where, where we're going to stop as to where I think the price is going to go. So let's see where a good potential price would be if it went to a market cap of $5 billion. All right, guys, so we are going to take 236,683,770, and that is going to be obviously the circulating supply, the current circulating supply. And we are going to go ahead and we are going to multiply it by the last time that went up quite a bit, which was like, we'll go $9. So we'll multiply by $9, okay? See what the market cap was back then. So market cap back then, you guys, was probably around $2.1 billion, okay? So we know it can go higher than that. So we're going to try double that and see what the price would be then. So we'll try $18. Okay, so we're going to use the same number, and we're going to multiply by $18, and we're going to come out with $4.2 billion market cap. Okay, so I can believe it can go a little bit higher. We'll try 20 bucks. So multiply by 20. Maybe it's a little bit higher than that, actually. We'll try $21. So $21. Okay, I feel comfortable with that number, you guys. So we got a $4.97 billion market cap on this one. So overall, guys, with the current circulating supply, in 5 years from now, 5-10 years from now, if it takes off long term, it's got the potential to reach at least $21 if it gets to a market cap of $5 billion at some point in time, which I personally think it can long term here. As I said, they are a mature project, so they definitely have the potential to get there. Now we're going to see, what a good potential return on your investment would be if you put in $10,000 into this coin. Okay. Now, again, guys, this is just one long-term coin that you're holding for the long term. So you got to keep that in mind as well. Usually when you're holding on to coins, you're usually holding on to more than just one as time goes on. I mean, me personally, I have, positions in 23 different coins long term. So, as time goes on, it just, it's more and more and more as time goes on. You just add more to it. So, all right. So if you were to invest $10,000 right now, you would come out with $4.19. You would come out with 2,386 coins. Wait, what was that number? I forgot. My bad. Divided by 419. All right, so you got 2,386 coins. 2,386. All right, now we are going to multiply that by $21. We're going to come out with $50,000 in the end. So really, you're going to make about a $40,000 profit if you're holding on to this for the long term. Now, to be honest with you guys, I mean, that's good profit. I'm not going to lie. I mean, there's really no risk to buying and holding long term. But, for a $40,000 profit let me just say this. There are many other coins where you can make a much bigger profit margin than that. It could go higher than this, but I mean, I'm a conservative. So, I think, personally, I like to be realistic with this stuff since we're dealing with real money here. So, I mean, overall, my prediction is going to be $21 for the sake of this video, long term. But for a potential profit of $40,000 after holding on to it for 5 to 10 years, there's other coins where you can make bigger profits than this for holding on to them for the longer period of time. And I've got plenty of other videos in my long-term crypto price prediction playlist here on my channel that explain different profit margins on all kinds of different coins. This is one of the smaller ones for sure. So personally, you guys, I mean, it's a great profit potential, but I mean, it's not the greatest. So just keep that in mind. But overall, guys, for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and go with my long-term price prediction of $21 for Bancor's BNT token. So, all right, guys, that pretty much does it for this video. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, hey, before you guys leave, again, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here. You can find the link to it in the description below the video. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.